If you've ever felt a sudden wave of dizziness when standing up, you're not alone. That unsettling sensation, whether it's lightheadedness or the world spinning, is often dismissed as a normal part of aging. But in reality, it's your body's subtle way of letting you know that something important is happening beneath the surface. Understanding this signal can make a real difference in your daily life. A common but often overlooked reason for this dizziness is mild dehydration, which tends to affect us more as we get older. When your body lacks enough fluids and essential minerals, your blood volume decreases, and your brain receives less circulation, especially when you stand up quickly. This can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure, known as orthostatic hypotension. For many seniors, drinking plain water isn't always enough. The body also needs vital electrolytes to maintain balance. Ensuring you replenish both fluids and minerals is key to keeping your blood pressure steady and minimizing dizzy spells. To support your body's balance each day, consider beginning your morning with the hydration reset. Combine a cup of water with a small pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon, and drink it slowly before your coffee or tea. This easy routine helps your body absorb fluids more effectively and provides minerals and vitamin C to support healthy circulation. Over time, you may notice you feel steadier and more refreshed as you go about your day. If you've ever stood up too fast and suddenly felt the world spin, it's not just getting older. It's your body sending a quiet warning, one most people ignore until it becomes dangerous. But here's the surprising truth. That dizzy moment isn't just about low blood pressure. It's something far more fixable, and it starts with what you don't drink enough of. As we age, our blood volume slowly decreases. That means your brain gets less blood flow when you stand up, and you feel that rush of dizziness. Doctors call it orthostatic hypotension. But the cause isn't always disease. For many seniors, it's mild dehydration, a hidden loss of water and minerals that builds up day by day. And the crazy part? You might think you're drinking enough water, but your body can't absorb it properly anymore. Try this simple hydration reset each morning. Step 1. Mix 1 cup of water with a small pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. Step 2. Drink it slowly right after waking, before coffee or tea. Step 3. Repeat again mid-afternoon if you feel lightheaded or tired. Why it works. The salt helps your body retain the water you drink. The lemon provides potassium and vitamin C to improve circulation. Together, they keep your blood pressure stable when you move or stand. It's nature's way to recharge your system. No medication, no crash. John, 74, used to avoid morning walks because every time he stood up, he'd get dizzy. His doctor said it was part of aging. But when he started this hydration habit for 2 weeks, he said something changed. The dizziness stopped. I didn't feel that rush anymore. I finally felt steady. It's not magic. It's simply giving your body what it's been quietly asking for. Sometimes your body's smallest signals, a dizzy moment, a brief blur, are really whispers for help. You don't have to ignore them. You can fix them with gentle, daily care. Start your morning with the hydration reset. In 10 days, you might just stand taller, steadier, and more confident. Thank you for joining Prime Life Health, helping you live strong, live well, and live long.